Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see how we can add a prefix or suffix to our data. So we have a table here table with 4 columns. The first column is for prefix, the second column for first name, third column for second name, and the last one for age. So now we want to use this last column for age to add prefix and suffix. So let me just take you to Power BI. So within Power BI, I will go to Home tab, and I will click on this command for Get Data. Then I will choose Excel Workbook as our data source. Then again I will choose Text Functions. Then I will click Open. Then again I will choose another description. So I choose a prefix and suffix. Then here we don't load because we need to transform data first before we load into Power View. So we will click here Transform Data. Then the command for transform data will take us to Power Query Editor. And then now it has been loaded into the suffix and prefix to the column for age. But before then, let me just try to transform the second and the first column into a proper case. So I will choose the second and the third column, and I will click on Transform tab. Then I will click on this drop down menu for Format. Then I will select the option for capitalize each word. So the text within the second and third column are in proper case. So now we want to add a suffix and prefix to the column for age. So I will choose this column for age, then click on Format. Then within the drop down menu, I will start with the prefix. So I want to add prefix, so I'll choose prefix. So here we'll write ages. Then I need to create a space between the word is and the numerical values. So I will touch on the space bar on my keyboard. Then I will click OK. So now we have a prefix. So again, we want to add a suffix on the same column for age. So again, I will choose the same column, go to Format again, then add suffix. Again, I will touch on the spacebar to create a space between the numerical values and the suffix that we're supposed to write. So here we'll write years old, and I will click OK. So I added both the prefix and the suffix within the column for age. Then from here now we can go to Home tab, click Close and Apply command, load the data into Power View. So now we have our data here for prefix and suffix. So if you want to see the data within our prefix and suffix field, we'll just click on this icon for data view. Then I'll come again and click on this field for this table for prefix and suffix. So this is what we had, or rather this is what we have. And I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you've understood how to add a prefix or a suffix to your data within Power BI. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.